lot of people don't know how to find partner airline award space on the Virgin Atlantic website. By this, what I mean is like booking Korean Air flights through Virgin Atlantic, or booking LATAM flights through Virgin Atlantic, or booking Air France or KLM flights through Virgin Atlantic. I'm going to walk you through how to run that award search. My name is Max, and I help people maximize their airline miles, hotel points, and credit card points. Remember the like and subscribe button down below. Let's get started, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. So Virgin Atlantic has a tool called the Reward Seat Checker, which is great, but it's limited because it only works for Virgin Atlantic operated flights. You can go check out the other video I did on that, which I'll link up here. I'll also link it down in the description as well. But you can't use that tool to search for partner airline award space. You just kind of have to hunt and peck those different dates on the Virgin Atlantic website, and then pick and choose your dates, and hopefully there's award availability. If there's not, you get this error, and it's really frustrating and super annoying. An alternative option is to search elsewhere on different partner airline websites, or use other third-party tools to search for the award availability. In this video, I'm going to show you both options. Searching for partner award space on partner airline websites is completely free, and so I'm going to show you that free option. And I'm going to also show you the paid tool option, which obviously costs money, but it's going to be quicker and easier. So first up, the free way to search, and let's go over to my computer. I'm going to show you exactly how to do this. In this example, let's find Korean Air flights that are bookable through Virgin Atlantic. So Korean Air flies these routes from the US to Seoul. And in this case, let's do LAX as an example. And so this LAX to Seoul flight operated by Korean Air, this is the flight that we want to find award availability for. So Korean Air and Virgin Atlantic are all part of the SkyTeam Alliance. Pulling up the SkyTeam Alliance here, there's Air France, there's Delta, there's Korean Air, and so on in Virgin Atlantic. What we're going to use is we're going to use the Delta website. So the reason why we're using the Delta website is that on the Delta website, it's much easier to search on the Delta website. So here on the Delta website, what we're going to do is LAX to Seoul, ICN, and let's do one way. It's always easier to search one way. Shop with miles. My dates are flexible. Let's do departure date. Let's do like further into the schedule so we know there possibly is award available. Let's do September 16th as an example. Hit done. Click on advanced search. See if there's anything Delta main here selected, and click search. So this will give us that weekly calendar here, but what we want to do is we want to see the price calendar of the entire month. So it says a lot of 60,000 points across the board here, so it's hard to identify which dates are actually operated by Korean Air. What we're going to do is we're going to filter this down even further, because we know that Korean Air operates that nonstop flight from LAX to Seoul, and so we're going to switch this to nonstop here, and that reduces it down quite a bit, and so 60,000 points and $30 in taxes and fees. Our next task is to figure out if this is a Korean Air flight or not. September 15th as an example, we can go click on that, click on continue, and Delta will tell us it's operated by Korean Air right here. So it's 60,000 Delta Sky Miles in main cabin. So now that we know that this award availability is available on Delta, that means that it potentially might be also available on the Virgin Atlantic website. So that's what we're gonna do, is jump over to the Virgin Atlantic website and see if they see the same award availability for this Korean Air flight. So here on the Virgin Atlantic website, we wanna make sure that we're logged in. I'm currently logged in. We're gonna click on search for reward flight here and type in LAX to ICN, and that will take us to Seoul. We want to do one way again, just to test it out to make sure it works. And then let's go all the way down to the same exact date, which was September 15th, and click on search flight. And then that same exact flight here is available, and it says operated by Korean Air, and it's 30,000 Virgin Atlantic miles and $30 in taxes and fees. And so that's how you find that award space. You find it on a different partner airline website that's much easier to search than Virgin Atlantic. And then once you identify it there, there's a good chance that you'll be able to find it on the Virgin Atlantic website. And so that's what we did here. We searched on Delta first, and then once we found it on the Delta website, then we double check to make sure it's available on the Virgin Atlantic website. This strategy can also apply to different other partner airlines as well. Say, for example, I want to fly from New York down to Lima, Peru on LATAM Airlines, right? And so I want to do one way, and I'm going to do JFK to LIM, Lima, Peru, let's say February, and then click on the 11th as an example. Let's do 2 passengers. And in this case, let's do shop with miles. My dates are flexible, excluding main cabin. And let's do Delta One as business class and click on search. All right, so flexible dates here. Let's click on price calendar. And I know that there's a LATAM flight that's nonstop from JFK to Lima, Peru. So I'm gonna choose nonstop here. And this will filter down the award availability to help me narrow in what the LATAM award space looks like. And let's do the second here. So this looks pretty promising. 125,000 nonstop, $21 in taxes and fees. Click on continue. And what we're looking for is making sure this flight is operated by LATAM Airlines. And so LATAM Airlines, which is perfect. There's 2 left at this price. Obviously we're not gonna book through Delta here, but let's jump over to the Virgin Atlantic page and make sure the award availability is the same exact thing. JFK, LIM, Lima, Peru, there we go. One way, we're gonna backtrack this all the way to February 2nd and then click on 2 people and click on search. Hopefully Virgin Atlantic is able to see the same award space that Delta is able to see. And yes, they are. LATAM flight, 100,000 points and $109 in taxes and fees. And this is the price for 2 people. And so if you book through Delta, it would be 250,000 Delta Sky miles. If you book through Virgin Atlantic here, it's 100,000 Virgin Atlantic miles and $109 in taxes and fees. So much, much less in points. And if there's a transfer bonus over to Virgin Atlantic, this also is a really great deal as well. So that's the free way to search. If you're gonna use a third-party tool, I'm gonna recommend Seats.Aero. It's one of my favorite tools that I use pretty regularly when it comes to searching for award space, and it's pretty good at searching for Virgin Atlantic award space for partner airlines. So let's go over to my computer and I'll show you how to do that. We're here on Seats.Aero and you'll notice that this is the homepage. And this is one of my favorite tools. And what I recommend for this is that you have to have the pro version. The pro version does cost $9.99 a month, but it's worth it if you want to search for the award availability and see award availability for the entire year. The free version of Seats.Aero is pretty limited and you're only limited to 60 days in advance, whereas the free version, you can see the award availability for the entire year. And if you want to go check out the pro version, I'll link it down in the description. And using that link helps support my work. It's an affiliate link. And I often recommend Seats.Aero and I use it quite a lot. This is what I use daily to search for award availability. And again, it's $9.99 a month and unlocks way more features and benefits as well. So again, link down in the description. But let's go back to Seats.Aero, and where you would want to go would be to Explorer and then Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, because that's what we want to search. And then we're going to do full year. So we see full year award availability. Again, it's a pro feature. And now our task is to sort through the award availability to identify that partner award space. And what I like to do a lot is use this search bar up here. So in this case, let's do LAX ICN. And this sorts everything that has LAX to Seoul in it. And what I also like to do is sort by economy as an example, and this will sort everything from lowest to highest. And so if you've seen green bubbles, that means it's a nonstop flight. If you see blue bubbles, that means there's a connection. Ideally, we want to find the nonstop flights. And so let's sort this by all the nonstop flights first. You can see here, LAX to Seoul, all these flights says 31,000 points. That's what we want to find, because that means that there potentially is award space that's bookable through Virgin Atlantic. And hovering over this, it'll give you more information. So 31,000 points, $29 in taxes and fees, 2 seats available. KE is Korean Air and it's a direct flight. We know that because it's a green bubble. So scrolling through this, like you can see which dates have that award availability. And let's pick a date here that has 2 seats available. Like for this one example. And so this, you can see that it says 9 seats, it says 2 direct. So that means that we want to find the direct flights. What we're going to do is click on the information button and it'll give you all the options here. Ideally, we want to find the direct flight because that's the cheapest and that's the best deal. And what we want to do is click on book, and this will tell us how many points it's going to cost through Virgin Atlantic, through other different booking programs as well. In this case, let's book through Virgin Atlantic. It'll deep link us into the Virgin Atlantic website. I'll already run the search if you're logged in. And so you can see here, the Korean Air flight, 31,000 points, and it's super easy to find the award availability using a tool like Seats.Aero. So let's go back here and run the other search of going from JFK to Lima, Peru. And so in this case, let's do business class. And then we have all this award availability for business class. And it says 2 seats available here on January 21st, 2026. It says 2 seats available, 50,000 points. LA means LATAM, and it's a direct flight. Click on the information button. And we're going to switch this to business class. It says 2 seats available, click on book. And through Virgin Atlantic, it's 50,000 Virgin Atlantic miles. What we're going to do again is go and click on that. And the award availability shows up here at 50,000 miles in business class with $55 in taxes and fees. And this is operated by LATAM. So that's the quickest and the easiest way to search. It does require a paid tool, but you'll save a ton of time and you don't have to go through the partner airline website and all that stuff. Just makes it much simpler. So that's 2 different ways to search for partner award space that's bookable through Virgin Atlantic. And this matters because there's often transfer bonuses to Virgin Atlantic, and booking those partner airlines through Virgin Atlantic can be a really good deal, especially if there's a 30% transfer bonus or like there's a 40% transfer bonus. So if you enjoyed this video, if you thought it was worth your time, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. I'll put some more videos on how to maximize your points up on the screen right now. So go check those out. And thanks for watching this far, and I'll see you guys in the next one.